Hey!
That's my bad side. What up, man? Run out.
Yo, what do you
Champagne
expect?
wishes, caviar dreams.
What do you expect? What do you expect in 2011? Make a prediction. What's gonna happen?
The Chinese are taking over.
Okay. And you?
Maybe the Cardinals will win baseball.
Okay.
Are they gonna?
I have a knife fight to the death.
I will win. Hey, here's a prediction. Fearless prediction. I will win fantasy baseball.
Said it. He said it.
It's on
Fantasy football?
baseball.
Fantasy
As
baseball.
long as the prediction is not going to happen, I'm going to fucking Mars.
Vacation to Mars.
Turn the lights down, turn the speakers up, let our voice keep going. I'm the blood going to the heart, so you know I gotta keep flowing. In the water, gotta keep rowing. Sink it back like a free throw. And coming up, now they asking me, Mr. Brownskins, where are we going? Everywhere, let me be clear, like Hammer did, break it down in here. Like a blunt, let me be blunt. Now I'm putting on the crown this year. I'm filling up with another cup, getting high like a mountain here. Spitting out like a fountain here. Make me just wanna shout in here. Pen it out, start writing. And so now what's left is a microphone and the motherland. So in both ways I'm blessed.